Memorial Day weekends usually mean a chance for families to get out into nature. But the increased traffic, both on the road and in the mountains, means the more opportunity for accidents. Fox 13's Diego Romo takes a look at the push to prepare for the worst when you are enjoying the best the state of Utah has to offer.
We live in an absolutely beautiful state, and a lot of the reasons that we live here is because of the recreational opportunities that the Wasatch Front and southern Utah provide.
Utah's country provides a lot of chance for outdoor adventures, but there is also a danger that everyone heading out needs to prepare for.
I remember looking down and just seeing blood kind of pumping out of my shorts that I was wearing. So I knew right away this was pretty serious.
So as part of May being National Trauma Awareness Month, Intermountain Healthcare has a reminder for those heading into nature.
And with this weekend being seen as the start of summer, Intermountain Healthcare is reminding residents how to stay safe and stressing the importance of prevention and using the right safety gear.
And they asked accident survivors to help spread the message of safety.
This is my shoes and my helmet that I was wearing. Shoes have some evidence of blood on them still.
Jason Kitchen was injured when he fell at a bike park in southern Utah just a month ago.
I guess tried showing off a little bit too much, went off a jump, and my handlebars got turned in the air, and the end of my handlebar went right into my leg.
He severed his femoral artery. But luckily, thanks to a witness with medical training and quick response from Life Flight, his leg is now recovering. Jason also credits wearing his helmet and other safety gear for preventing any further injury and likely saving his life.
I will always wear a helmet. My kids, every one of my kids had a helmet on that day of my crash.
Intermountain Healthcare hospitals have seen a nearly 10% increase in trauma-related incidents this year compared to 2020. And they believe a few simple steps from you can help prevent a traumatic injury in your family.
So number one, you need to make sure that you prepare and that you've got the proper gear.
That proper gear includes the right clothing for the weather and activity, including long-sleeve shirts in case the weather drops and proper footwear for the activity. Other things to think about bringing is food, water, a first aid kit, a helmet, and a flashlight. Other things to think about when planning an outdoor activity is making sure someone knows where you are going and how long you plan on being gone. And finally, remember to have a cell phone with you that is fully charged.
My family knew where I was. They knew my intentions. They knew where my end goal was. And I was carrying a GPS spot tracker that friends and family were following in real time on their phones, and they could see exactly where I was at any given time.
Jeremy Atcher is an experienced trail runner and a living example of how being prepared for the worst can save your life. While running on the Big Cottonwood Ridge 7 months ago, Atcher fell more than 150 feet.
I suffered a concussion, a fractured C3, several vertebral process and lateral process fractures, 12 broken ribs, 5 of which were broken in 2 places, which was left me with a diagnosis of flail chest.
Because Atcher was prepared, including being with a friend and letting people know his plans. But he also had a GPS device that helped rescuers find him quickly.
And from the time that this gentleman fell to when he was actually here on the helipad was about an hour and 5 minutes.
Their survivor stories are perfect examples of how important the right gear can be for anyone planning on getting outdoors this summer.
I'm just really grateful for everyone I had in my corner who helped me out and made sure that I could be here today.
Diego Romo, Fox 13 News, Utah.